Nestled in the trees along the slopes of Snowmass Mountain, this classic mountain estate surrounded by world-class amenities.
It's amazing to have the privacy and the exclusivity that the Divide neighborhood offers and still be just minutes to Snowmass Village. It's very rare in today's market to find a home with ski access. This provides that.
5 bedrooms, over 5,600 square feet, mountain views, and an open floor plan that's perfect for any occasion.
There's just nothing like it on the market with this timeless feel, these incredible living spaces, vaulted ceilings with timbered trusses on over an acre. What a great opportunity.
The kitchen features a large island and this casual dining area that walks right out to a spacious deck with Brush Creek Valley views.
It really lends itself to the family that likes to entertain and likes to be all together for those special occasions in the mountains. The home is great as it is, or someone could come along and add their own touches.
On the other side of the fireplace, a separate media or flex room. Also on the main level, the primary suite with its wall of windows. Cozy up to the fireplace or escape to the luxurious bathroom where you can slide into the tub and soak up the mountain views. On the lower level, 3 more bedrooms, including this bunk room, as well as a mudroom off the garage entrance and an elevator.
You get space and volume and acreage, and you're just minutes from Base Village. It's a world-class destination all year round. Snowmass Village has started to really stand on its own as a place to be in the evening and of course during the day with the world-class skiing that we offer here.
Location, access, and privacy. It's all wrapped up into one incredible mountain property.
With the lack of inventory, homes like this are truly hard to find. I believe this home will be sold quickly. Give me a call soon.